Permitidme que antes que nada agradezca a la señora Graça Machel que nos haya brindado este honor y este privilegio tan grandes de estar en Girona.
Sobre todo destacar que pocas personas en el mundo han escuchado tanto a la gente que no tiene voz como la señora Graça Machel.
Buen día. I want to thank you so much for giving me this opportunity to share a bit of my love story, but also the relationship I have always had with this country. My view is we have to increase the mutual understanding, mutual respect, mutual acceptance amongst people, whether they think different, whether they pray in a different way, whether they dress in a different way. What counts is human dignity, which is in every single human being like us.